So today I took a break and I went over to my daughter's house, Gary and I. But look at this. We're going to go through the garden in a minute. This is at her back door. She's got pepper plants everywhere. I can't tell you what they are. I don't know anything about them. But this is growing in full shade right out her back door. And yes, she even has flowers growing there. But you know what? Let's walk through the garden. We'll do some candid talking to her soon too. Oh, this is the garden. This is a very small garden. It's not that wide. It's a strip that she got some chain link put up, and now, you know, no dogs or anybody can get in there, and it's just them, just for their peppers and their trees. It actually originally was done for the trees that she wanted to grow. So let's kind of walk through. Oh my gosh, I have not seen that persimmon tree. Look at the persimmon tree. There she's got a small pepper on the ground. Looks like it's in a grow bag. And then she's got, look at this. These trees were all planted, I believe, this year. Peppers everywhere. Now, I know she grows really hot peppers. She knows all the varieties. I don't even know how many dozens of varieties she grows. Some of them she buys, some of them she grows from seed. You know, she buys them as plants. Look at this. She's got them in totes. And they're sitting under her trees, because she's found out that peppers grow much better here in Southern California in pretty much full shade or very little sunlight. I don't even know what all these trees are. But she really is utilizing the ground well. Now there's the trough we got her, and she grew watermelon, massive watermelon in there. Think of all the soil she can take out in the spring to get more peppers growing, and then refill that up with all the leaf matter and everything from all these trees. I have no idea what kind of citrus this is. I'm going to try to talk her into doing a walkthrough and going through each and every plant. She should do one just on her peppers. Look at this. 18-gallon totes loaded with pepper plants. As far as the eye can see. I'm just amazed. Look at that. I'm assuming they're bell peppers, but it's whatever it is, it's a large type pepper. She's with Gary right now. They're getting ready to stake up a banana plant, and I'll do a separate video on that. Oh, how beautiful. Nothing is better than a beautiful red bell pepper. Look at all this. When she comes over, I'll let her know what I'm doing, because I just grabbed my camera and just started filming this because it's just beautiful. Look at this. And she's got the whole back to continue on with. What a gorgeous area to grow trees and then utilize all that land under the trees for other food too. She's coming, so we'll talk to her and we'll ask her, because I can see she's growing them in totes and different flower pots and buckets. Wow, I'm just flabbergasted. I'll tell you what you need to do. You need to go through with your phone, and if you can, do it sideways. People I want to kick back and watch on TV. And you need to go through each and every one, because you know, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to put this up so everybody can see it. But you need to go through and tell them this is a whatever, because I have no idea. You've got an amazing amount of how many varieties of peppers?
I have no idea.
Okay, so you have no...
I know, and I'm seeing fruit on them again.
They're loaded. Are you kidding me? They're loaded. They've got flowers. You have to go through and go through each and every tote, whatever's in the ground, whatever's in a pot, a bucket. You have grow bags here too, or no?
Needs my help. Just down there.
Okay, so you have a grow bag, every single one. And we got X amount, or I don't remember, or my gosh, you know, I'm got a bag full in the freezer. And go through each one, if you remember the heatness. Look at this.
Those are black cobras. The black cobras.
That's a plant from me?
No. That's the one I got from Blue Hills.
Because it looks different. This one has larger leaves, but then it might be just the climate. It's better in there, and it's got more room. I see there's bell peppers of some sort all along there.
Yeah, there's bell peppers in the back.
But you don't have to tell me, because
let me see if he needs my help.
I don't know, but you need to go through each one. This is important for a lot of people, because you've got them in the sun, you've got them in the shade.
I got raspberries here. Here, you want a raspberry? Oh, it's gonna fall apart. Here you go. Need my help?
Oh, it brings back memories with my grandmother. Going after dinner, she'd take me down to the blackberry patch.
I don't know.
And you're loaded with apples? Has he
Not
started on?
loaded, but
Are you kidding? You saw
we
how?
had way more last year. It's from moving them.
Is he already starting the banana? I'll go walk over there.
He's bringing wood over there.
Okay, I'll go see what he's gonna do. Oh,
Yeah, I didn't know that there's more peppers on here again. There's some at the bottom.
these are hot.
Yeah, those are really hot. The yellow fatales, I said in my video, didn't have a second crop, and they have a second crop on them now.
This is absolutely amazing. And I see you're gonna have a ton of soil if you want to start pulling from that in the spring, and then you can reload it. A lot of people do that, and I'll probably do that if I move
my
mine.
hitchhiker strawberries are everywhere.
Oh, some of your strawberries you gave me are starting to take off on the ground. And this is absolutely amazing. And I see you've got so much more room when you get back there.
Yeah, I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, but
No, you take your time.
The back wall, I'm gonna eventually let the dragon fruit take over. I'm gonna put something along there that I can taper it or attach it to the wall as it grows. I need to replant it. I've been meaning to do that.
You know what? They wouldn't care. See the open bricks? You can just put 2x4s down somehow on there and just attach it with wire to the top and then drop it straight down.
Well, I gotta be careful with their bricks. Their bricks already fell off and I've had to re-cement them. You see that one that's re-cemented?
Yeah. All right, then you'll figure out something. This is just, there's hundreds of peppers. And this has turned out to be the perfect climate. And look, that's all loaded. I don't know what that is. That's all, they're all loaded.
Yeah, those are the fatales. I was surprised at the yellow fatales because when I did my video, I said the yellow fatales didn't reflower, but they must have because there's peppers on the yellow fatales.
You need to do this, not with me. You can do this yourself. You go through each and every tote. It doesn't matter if you repeat yourself because they'll see how you set it up. I mean, these are just 18-gallon totes.
Those are potatoes though.
Okay, those are potatoes growing. But then you've got all these 18-gallon totes and you can say what's in it, the heat, your personal experience. Do you eat the peppers or just?
I do not.
Oh, okay, so you'll have to go what Donald says. And then you just I would want to know.
These
so I'm
are
sure
the hottest. These are the world's hottest and they haven't had anything off them yet. I just got them though. I'm hoping I get something out of them before they get to, I might have to bring them in so they survive the winter. Since I just got them.
Or shield them. Well, it depends on how cold it is. Yeah, look, it's just spilling out of the tote. And look at all the red peppers. It's spilling out.
Yeah, those are Thai peppers.
And you've just got
Those are like the Korean peppers, but they're Thai. So they're hot. So those are like Serrano hot. So he can eat those if he just wants like a little 2-bite pepper.
A 2-bite.
Those are the Serrano plants you gave me.
These here? Yeah. Those are the little dried out dead plants?
You see this? I paid full price for it. It never grew. And those are the ones you gave me and they look fantastic right there. So it's just like a hit or miss, I guess.
And they looked like they were dead almost.
I know. They look like that one.
Oh my, no, they looked worse than that even, but I can't believe that. There were like 4 or 5.
4. There's 4 in that tote.
You have 4 plants in the one.
I have 4 Serranos in that 18-gallon tote.
Oh,
because you got to think you can put 1 pepper per 5 gallons. So I usually put 3 or 4 plants per tote. Because you can grow 1 plant per 5-gallon bucket.
So it's close to 20.
Close to 20. So I'll put, depending on the pepper, 3 or 4 per tote.
Okay, I want to go see what he's doing. Are you staking that up?
I don't know what he's going to do.
Oh, I'm ready. Okay, I'm gonna go run and do something else. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up because Gary is staking up a banana for her to see if they can save it. But I wanted to share this because I just walked through. I'm telling you, my daughter needs to go through each and every pepper so you guys can know exactly how you can possibly set them up. And they're in the shade. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? So I hope you enjoyed this. I'm gonna go run and do something else. Everybody have a wonderful day, and don't forget to eat what you're growing. I don't know if I can eat any of these. Now I'll put a link to her channel underneath because she's going to keep up with the peppers and give you more information. Ask questions so she'll know exactly what to do a video on, because look at this. This narrow little strip that they put the chain link along is going to grow a massive garden. She actually calls it the orchard. Isn't that cool? So ask her questions and watch for her to make an update. Now I'm going to run over and see what Gary's doing with the banana flower that fell over, and I'll do a separate video on that. So be sure to watch for that.